This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the laptop with the AC adapter or sufficient battery. This prevents shutdown during setup. Once the system boots, log into your account so you can access keyboard settings. Make sure no external keyboard is connected now so you test internal keys alone. Open Lenovo Vantage or Settings to confirm layout and language. If you see a choice between layouts, pick the one matching your keyboard markings. This prevents mismapped characters as you proceed. Now you focus on functionality. Open Settings to confirm the language and keyboard layout because wrong layout yields wrong characters. Once done, run the on-screen keyboard or a keyboard tester to press keys and observe output. This isolates hardware from software issues. Make sure you understand FN behavior. Press FN plus ESC or the dedicated FN lock to switch multimedia versus F1, F12 actions. If some keys seem dead, inspect debris and gently clean around keycaps before deeper troubleshooting. Finish by installing any driver or firmware updates from Lenovo. Updated drivers often fix missed keys and FN mapping. Once updated, restart and test each key in a simple text editor to confirm consistent output. If individual keys still fail, power down and carefully clean under keycaps with compressed air. Only remove caps if you know how. As a troubleshooting step, boot into safe mode to see if software conflicts cause the issue. If hardware failure persists, seek authorized service for replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.